So the big picture for this lesson is medians and altitudes of a triangle. Here are three medians of a triangle, and a median is drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. That's why you see congruent marks, because each point at the end of the median is a midpoint of the segment. And the point where all three intersect, all these medians, that's called the centroid. And there's a video in the lesson about constructing a centroid. You definitely want to watch that. There's a concurrency of triangle medians theorem that says that the centroid is a point 2/3 of the way from each vertex to the midpoint on the opposite side. So for example, segment AG is 2/3 of the entire length AE. And the same is true for the other medians of the triangles. This lesson is all about altitudes of a triangle. An altitude of a triangle's perpendicular segment from a vertex to the opposite side or to a line that contains the opposite side. An altitude doesn't have to be inside the triangle, it can be outside or on a side. The point of concurrency of all three altitudes is called the orthocenter, and in this case you can see it is outside the triangle. And for an acute triangle, the orthocenter is on the inside. Right triangle, it's on the triangle. Obtuse triangle, it is outside the triangle. So for medians of the triangle and altitudes of the triangle, you're going to see some examples on how to solve equations and also just how to graph and plot points to locate the centroid and the orthocenter. And that's the big picture for this lesson.